Interested in building a profitable VoIP business without owning your own hardware or software? Telinta offers a full portfolio of cloud-based solutions that enable you and your resellers to offer VoIP services under your own brand. Our white-label solutions fully integrate cutting-edge VoIP switching, flexible billing, and customer management. With TeliCore, Telinta's cloud-based soft switch platform, you can easily offer services like hosted PBX and other business telecommunications, calling card and pinless calling for consumers, MVNO and mobile VoIP for people on the go, wholesale services. Here are a few things you need to know to help you get started. How does a VoIP phone call travel from one place to another? Here are 3 parts to most VoIP calls. Origination, used for some services which include inbound calling. Termination, provided by carriers who bring your outbound calls to their final destination. Sophisticated switching offered by Telinta, which is the key part of any successful VoIP business. Let's take a closer look. Origination begins with the phone numbers that a VoIP user needs in order to receive calls from the public switched telephone network, or PSTN, which connects nearly every telephone around the world. Phone numbers used on the PSTN, known as DIDs, are offered by many different providers. Some examples of VoIP calls that require a DID provider include calls made to an access number for calling card or pinless services, calls from the PSTN to a mobile soft phone application, calls delivered to a residential or business customer, or inbound calls to a hosted PBX. You can request a DID provider to direct inbound calls from PSTN to the TeliCore via the Internet. TeliCore then routes the call to your VoIP termination carrier to deliver the calls to its final PSTN destination. Calls made from one of your customers to another one of your customers is known as on-net traffic. For example, when both users are using your mobile softphone application. Since on-net calling does not require a connection to the PSTN, no DID or termination providers are needed. TeliCore is a carrier-grade soft switch platform with sophisticated software that provides the intelligence needed to handle traffic for any size VoIP business, large or small. TeliCore's administrative interface is your own personal command center. You set your own rates. You decide how calls are routed. You choose how and when to bill your customers, both prepaid and postpaid. Add your own providers for credit card payments from your customers and resellers, or use TeliCore's convenient plugin for PayPal. Use your own providers for DIDs, VoIP termination, SMS, mobile top-up, and more. We will be happy to introduce you to our industry-leading partners who offer special pricing for Telinta customers. Telinta offers you an economical and scalable way to build a profitable VoIP business. Let's take a look at the cost components of a VoIP call. Start with the per-minute rate charged by your termination carrier for the fixed or mobile destination being called. Then add your per-minute rate from Telinta for your TeliCore switching. The sum of them both is your total cost per minute. With Telinta, inbound and on-net minutes are free. If you're using DIDs, charges from your DID provider apply. Considering what you can charge your customers for each minute of calling, you'll see that profits can quickly add up. Telinta bills you for the minutes you use in any given month on the following month's invoice. This gives your business the cash flow it needs to operate. Telinta provides volume discounts based on your overall total of outbound off-net minutes used per month. We automatically apply the discount so that you always get the best price available. Telinta provides you with an industry-leading cloud-based platform for switching, billing, and customer management. A full portfolio of white-label hosted VoIP solutions, live 24/7 technical support, comprehensive training, and more. Brandable services for you and your resellers. Your own DIDs, VoIP termination carriers, and other service providers. With Telinta's TeliCore soft switch platform at the center of it all. Economical volume discounts, free inbound and on-net calling. Contact us today to learn how you can build your own profitable VoIP business.